Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Who is Orunmila in Yoruba Religion or Ifa Religion? Orunmila, also known as Ọrúnla or Orúla in Nigeria and Latin America, is an orixa of wisdom, knowledge, and divination in Yoruba Religion. As it is told, God, who is known as Olodumare in Yoruba land, sent Orunmila to the face of the earth many years before he sent Obatala. Obatala, who is believed to be the sky father and the creator of human bodies, and Oduduwa, who was a Yoruba divine king of Ile Ife. According to Yoruba Religion sources, when Olodumare sent Orunmila to the face of the earth was full of water. It is told that Orunmila spent 400 years on earth without food, as he opened his mouth once a year and gained nourishment from the air. So, after 400 years of Orunmila on the face of the earth, he went back to Olodumare. After he left, Olodumare now sent Obatala and Oduduwa. While Oduduwa was coming to the earth, Orunmila gave him a cock for him to create the earth. So after the creation, Orunmila returned using ẹ̀wọ̀n, which you can call chain in English, to descend from the heavens and landed in a place called Òkè Ìgẹ̀tì. Òkè Ìgẹ̀tì, Ile Orunmila. For one reason or the other, Orunmila left Òkè Ìgẹ̀tì for Òkè Ìleri. As it is told, Orunmila wasn't pleased with some places he lived due to the fact that his expectation to the treatment he got was not to his satisfaction. Other places he lived were Ejio and Ile Monliki. The people of Ile Monliki honored Orunmila and they prayed for them. Orunmila left there and traveled to Òkè Tashe. When Orunmila arrived at Òkè Tashe, the people there were very happy for his arrival, as they danced and sang for him. Orunmila was so happy and thereby made Òkè Tashe his home. Orunmila became the leader of Òkè Tashe due to his divine knowledge and wisdom. Orunmila used ikin, ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀, ọ̀pọ̀n Ifa, and ìrókè Ifa as elements to consult Ifa. Ifa is a word of divine wisdom that came from the mouth of Orunmila with special grace of Olodumare. During Orunmila's time on the face of the earth, he used Ifa to assist human beings. Orunmila is very unique among orishas. Araba Agbaye is the representative of Orunmila on earth today and only comes from Oketashe. Orunmila stated that everyone should come to Oketashe to celebrate him, and this is why the word Ifa festival is held in Oketashe annually. According to belief of Yoruba traditional believers, Orunmila is an Orisha. He is the Orisha of wisdom, knowledge, and divination. You may be wondering what Orisha means. Orisha in the native religion of the Yoruba people are spirits sent by Olodumare for the guidance of all creation and of humanity in particular on how to live and be successful on earth. Orisha literally means any Orisha in Yoruba language, that is, a special being. It is believed that Orunmila is praised as Igbakeji Olodumare, that is, the second in command to Olodumare, and eleri, that is, the witness of faith. Having said this, if Orunmila is also a prophet of God, where is his own holy book for humanity? The holy book of Orunmila is Ifa, while the chapters therein are called Odu Ifa. It is also believed that Orunmila was the one who carried Ifa, which is believed to be the wisdom of Olodumare, to the heads. He is the grand Ifa priest. Today, just as we have in other faiths, priests of Ifa are known as Babalawos, that is, for men, while priestesses of Ifa are known as Iyanifas, that is, for women. How many chapters and verses do we have in Odu Ifa? There are 16 major books in the Odu Ifa. When combined in verses, there are a total of 256 Odu that are believed to reference all situations, circumstances, action, and consequences in life based on the uncountable essay, that is, branches. These form the basis of traditional Yoruba spiritual knowledge and are the foundation of all Yoruba divination systems. Ifa proverbs, stories, and poetries are not written down. Rather, they are passed down orally from one Babalawo to another up till today. Yoruba people consult Ifa for divine intervention and spiritual guidance. Finally, the literary meaning of Orunmila in Yoruba language means Ọ̀run ló mẹ́ni tó máa là, which means only the heaven knows the saved ones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.